Today we are focusing on the impact of diet on prostate health, precisely exploring the foods to avoid if you have an enlarged prostate. What is prostate health? The prostate gland plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system, acting as the source of significant reproductive and urinary functions. The small walnut-sized gland is located just below the bladder, encircling the urethra. This tube aids the passage of urine and semen out of the body. 10 worst foods for prostate health. Number 1. Processed meats. Why are processed meats harmful? Processed meats can hurt prostate health due to high bad fat content leads to inflammation. Sodium content causes high blood pressure which could harm the prostate's blood supply. Nitrites and nitrates are used as preservatives, forming harmful compounds in the body related to prostate cancer. Cooking at high temperatures produces cancer-causing agents like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Examples of processed meats to avoid: hot dogs, bacon, sausages, salami, bologna, pepperoni, and ham. Number 2. Red meat. Connection between red meat and prostate health. The tie between eating red meat and prostate health is a topic of debate, but eating too much could pose risk to prostate health. Higher risk of prostate cancer. Eating too much red meat, especially processed and well-done varieties, is tied to a higher risk of prostate cancer. Inflammation. Red meat, especially high in bad fats, can cause inflammation in the body, possibly impacting prostate health. Hormonal changes. Hormones used in livestock farming may affect male hormones, thus affecting prostate health. Types of red meat to limit or avoid. To support better prostate health, limit or avoid certain types of red meat that are high in bad fats and processed. Processed red meats. Avoid processed red meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. Fatty cuts. Reduce on high fat cuts like steak and T-bone steak. Well cooked and charred meat. Meat cooked at a high temperature until well done or charred can contain cancer-causing agents like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Number 3. High-fat dairy products. Why is high-fat dairy problematic? High-fat dairy products can pose problems for prostate health as they contain high amounts of bad fats. Inflammation. A high intake of bad fats can cause inflammation all over the body. Changes in hormone levels. Some studies say that a high intake of bad fats could affect hormone levels. Examples of high-fat dairy products: whole milk, cream, butter, certain cheeses like cheddar and Swiss. How saturated fats in dairy can affect prostate health. Bad fats in high-fat dairy products can harm prostate health in several ways. Growth of cells. High intake of bad fats may raise levels of androgens like testosterone, possibly leading to prostate problems. Inflammation. Bad fats are known to cause inflammation in the body, raising the risk of prostate problems. Obesity risk. Eating high-fat dairy products in excess can lead to weight gain and obesity, which is a known risk factor for prostate problems. Number 4. Sugary beverages. The link between sugary drinks and prostate issues. Drinking sugary drinks can lead to several factors that can lead to prostate problems. Weight gain. Keeping weight healthy is key to lowering the risk of prostate problems. Inflammation. Eating too much sugar can cause inflammation in the body, worsening of prostate problems as prostate cancer. Insulin resistance. Sugary drinks can raise blood pressure, sugar levels and lead to insulin resistance, oxidative stress, and higher risk of prostate problems. Common sources of extra sugar in drinks include sodas and soft drinks, fruit juices, sports and energy drinks, sweetened teas, coffee and coffee drinks, flavored water, alcoholic beverages. Number 5. Trans fats. What are trans fats and where can we find them? Trans fats are a type of dietary fat formed through hydrogenation, partially hydrogenated oils used in many processed foods and are the main source of lab-made trans fats. They can be found in items like baked goods like cookies, cakes and pastries, fried foods like French fries and fried chicken and some margarines, in fast foods, in packed snacks and in baked goods. Check food labels. Check the list of ingredients on packed foods for partially hydrogenated oils. Even if the label states 0 grams of trans fat, the product may have a small amount due to labeling rules, so choose products with no partially hydrogenated oils listed. Choose whole foods, reduce processed and fast foods. Number 6. Too much salt. Impact of a high sodium diet on the prostate. Eating too much salt can have several bad effects on prostate health. It can increase blood pressure, inflammation, and kidney function. Common sources of too much salt in the diet include processed and packaged foods, in fast foods, in snack and foods, condiments like sausages, ketchup, soya sauce, salad dressing, etc. Number 7. Refined carbohydrates. Connection between refined carbohydrates and prostate health. The tie between refined carbohydrates and prostate health lies in how these carbohydrates can harm overall health, possibly impacting the risk of prostate problems. Number 1. Blood sugar and insulin and hormone regulation. Imbalances in the sex hormones might stimulate the growth of prostate cells and contribute to prostate problems. It can increase the obesity. This can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which is connected to a higher risk of prostate problems. Foods having refined carbohydrates: white bread, white rice, pasta, baked goods, sugary cereal. Number 8. Artificial sweeteners. The potential impact of artificial sweeteners on prostate health. The possible effect of artificial sweeteners on prostate health is still being studied. Some research suggests that might be a link between these sweeteners and prostate health. The possible effects include a change in hormones and metabolic changes. Conclusion. In closing, the role of diet and lifestyle choices in keeping the prostate healthy cannot be stressed enough. By changing their diet and lifestyle, individuals may support better prostate health and overall wellness now and in the future. Thanks for tuning in. See you in next video. Until then, stay active and stay healthy.